If you are wondering if we have a split screen view available on OPPO Find X9, then the answer is yes, we do. We have a couple of ways that allow you to open the split screen view, but in order to find all of them, we can just go to settings, then over here choose accessibility and convenience, and then over here we can go to split view. Here we have the explanation of all three examples how to activate split screen, so we can swipe up from the bottom of the phone over the top over here. In this case, settings do not support the split screen view. We can also enter split view from smart sidebar by touching and holding an app and dragging it out of the sidebar. And also we can just go to recent tasks or background apps. We can tap on the name of the app, for example, and over here, if the app supports split screen view, then you should be able to open it. So let's say I'm gonna open the Play Store as an example. Let's go to the background apps. You can tap over here. There we go. We have split screen. Let's choose another app. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.